blushing.
Bonti Singh,
Savita,
Mahat. तूने सितारे पहचान सा मुकरा, क्या कहना उसका आफरी, दावत में जैसे वो शाही टुकड़ा, उसके जैसे ना कोई नाज़नी। शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बन तन के, वही तू मेरे स्वीट है। शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठे है दुल्हन के, वही तू मेरे स्वीट है। शाही जोड़ा पहन के आई जो बन तन के, वही तू मेरे स्वीट है। शर्माई सी बगल में जो बैठे है दुल्हन के, वही तू मेरे स्वीट है।
it's a long time, I know you're watching, can't help but keep on blushing, hoping that we never part. It's a long time, I know you're watching, can't help but keep on blushing, I will be your sweetheart.
कैसे मैं कहूँ शुक्रिया, उसका मुझ पे एहसान है। नाजीजों के बस्ती में वो जो बन के आए मेहमान है।
I know that you're watching me, I like when you're watching me.
कैसे मैं कहूँ शुक्रिया, उसका मुझ पे एहसान है। नाजीजों के बस्ती में वो जो बन के आए मेहमान है। लगता है शादी घर में उसके आने से जैसे चलकी आई है खुशकिस्मती। सारी महफिल की वो जान बनी है क्या।
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're on a Dish Vlogs there?
Please don't post this. I'm not ready yet. Post me later tonight. Yo, we found my little tripod thing.
Congrats to brother Av and Nicole.
Coming out. So, you know, we don't have a big program or anything like that tonight. It's very casual. From the next 20 minutes or so, we're gonna have some more appetizers, mingle, meet some people you've probably never met before. And then from about 7:30 or so, you know, we're gonna give the mic to Avi, and he's gonna do a little speech. And after 7:30, you know, we'll turn it over to the DJ and dinner after 7:30, and then DJ and dancing the rest of the night. So, like I said, it's very casual, it's very light. You know, the next 20 minutes or so, have some appetizers, mingle. The bar is open.
Savvy,
It's
you're on the
you know,
video.
we have some we have some eager people in the bar willing to help. So, you know, please go, and they'll make you whatever you want. It's just you might just have to tell them how to do it. They'll be good. Yeah, so mingle, eat some food, and we'll come back in about 15 minutes.
Wow, yo, big up to the YouTuber star right here.
Nicole, you are the most beautiful woman I've ever seen. Ever since we met, you've captured my soul. You are so kind, sweet, and loving. You take such good care of me. You always make sure I am well fed, as everyone here can see. And I'm so happy that you're in my life. I couldn't imagine my life without you, and today I finally get to confess my lifelong commitment to you. Not only have you given me one heart full of love, but you've also given me a second heart to love. To my little bro, Ben, you are such a jovial spirit, and I'm so happy to have you in my life. I love you, and I will always be here for you. Nicole and I are delighted, thrilled, and honored to share intentions for the rest of our days with you. Standing together in front of all the very special people in our lives to announce our engagement makes our private dreams public and in a way real. Thank you for being here, for your love and well wishes. With that being said, I'd like to ask the question that we've all been waiting for. Ben, bring the team, buddy. Nicole, will you marry me?
It's a beautiful night. We're looking for something dumb to do. Hey baby, I think I wanna marry you. Is it the look in your eyes, or is it this dancing juice? Who cares, baby? I think I wanna marry you. Well, I know this little chapel on the boulevard we can go.
Sorry, could you just repeat for the people one more time? I would like to take this opportunity to thank everyone who made this day come together. When I thought about it, it all seemed so overwhelming. This event made me really think about my dad and my nana. I thought about what it would be like to have them present here tonight. I know that they would have been so happy to see my dreams come true. So let's take their passing as a moment to give thanks for life and to appreciate who and what we have around us. Let's raise our glass to them. Cheers. My true blessing, though, is my family. Everyone who came together to make this day possible. Thank you, Dave and Nanda, Rajan and Priya, Anil and Mala, Uncle Joe, Uncle Victor and Auntie Gaya, Auntie Cami and Uncle Ratan from Winnipeg, Uncle Georgie and family from Toronto, and our DJ for the night, J Rev, all the way from Toronto. Let's give a big round of applause for them. Lastly, I just want to say thank you so much to everyone who attended tonight. I'm so happy to have all of you here, and I can't wait to get this party going. Before we get to that though, I would like to sing a song for my future wife.
Baby, you're the one I never thought I'd be. Say it from my heart, how I feel. Ever since we met, I fell in love with you. You being in my life is a dream come true. Oh baby, I'll never ever make you cry. I'll never say goodbye. I'll wipe your tears away. I just want to say I'll never leave you and go away. I'll never leave you and go away. Oh, what we have together is for eternity. No, I'll never leave you and go away.
Oh, I'll never leave you and go away. Oh, I'll never leave you and go away. Oh, what we have together is for eternity. No, I'll never leave you and go away. No, I'll never leave you and go away. Oh, what we have together is for eternity. Baby, you're the one I never thought I'd be. Saying from my heart how I feel. Ever since we met, I fell in love with you. You being in my life is a dream come true. Oh baby, I'll never make you cry. I'll never say goodbye. I'll wipe your tears away. I just want to say, oh, I'll never leave you and go away. No, I'll never leave you and go away. Oh, what we have together is for eternity. No, I'll never leave you and go away. No, I'll never leave you and go away. Oh, what we have together is for eternity. With that being sung, I guess, we'll have everyone grab a drink and we're gonna get dinner started and then dance floor. So just grab a drink, wait a little bit and then we'll have dinner on. Thank you.
Uncle K, you're in the video. Rayan, say hi. Say hi. Rayan. Look, say hi.
for the Toronto Raptors winning. Let's go.
Watch us Scooby-Doo mash on the place. Watch us Scooby-Doo mash on the place, aye? Watch it.
I want you guys to be the judge of this, alright?
Suavemente, bésame, que quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez. Suave, bésame, suave, bésame otra vez. Yo quiero sentir tus labios besándome otra vez. Suave, besa, bésame un poquito. Suave, besa, bésame otro ratito. Pequeña, échate otra vez. Por eso cuando te veo, comienzo a besarte.
It's a long time, I know you're watching, can't help but keep on blushing.
Bunty sings.